My name is Vincent. In this short video I'd like to show you some examples to extend your storage capabilities. In this example, during testing I will just use an old 2.5-inch hard drive, but in reality once all the testing is done I will use SSD storage.
Yeah, sure.
And the first thing I found is this slimline DVD player. Actually it's not a DVD player, it's a replacement for your hard drive. It comes in two variations, two sizes. The first one is
12.7 millimeters high.
Another one is
9.5 millimeters high.
Be careful when you buy one,
because the size.
Here you can just connect a hard drive or an SSD, and in the back you have just a normal SATA power cable and a SATA data cable. The only limitation is that you don't have any DVD player capabilities anymore.
Old technology.
This package came
boring. Speed up.
In a nice combination together with a screwdriver and some screws and a front cover.
I don't know why they actually place DVD on the front. I mean, they could easily just left it blank.
Who cares?
The button doesn't do anything any longer. Last but not least, trying to place a hard drive in it.
Gentle please.
And it fits nicely. Second thing I found online is this nice PCI Express card.
Amazing.
It supports both hard drives and SSDs. And the big advantage over this one is that it supports the SATA protocol, but also the way quicker
NVMe Express protocol.
Connect directly over the PCI Express lane. I bought this card for one specific reason. You don't need to connect a power cable, so it can directly feed itself from the PCI Express lane.
Nice.
And I only need to connect it to a SATA cable. Make sure that it actually fits in your PCI Express slot. Many times the motherboard only has one or two big ones, the X16, and only supports X4 or X8 on your motherboard. In that case, you have also this PCI Express card in a smaller version.
Size matters.
For here I've got another one.
Please, speed up again.
Got a nice protective film layer, SATA cable, even a power cable, some screws, and this is actually the
back to normal.
The one that makes it interesting. It doesn't connect in your PCI Express slot. It uses the space on the back of the computer, or server in my case. And it has one big advantage. You have a quick release slot.
Hotswappable.
So you don't need to screw in anything. You just straight your hard drive or SSD. You slide it carefully in. And the door closes.
That was gentle.
And you can directly use it. I saw some people online use it to quickly switch between Linux and Windows just by physically take out the SSD in their case.
You can do that by software.
In the back you find some connectors. You need a power cable, a data cable for SATA and another power cable. But this nice split cable will provide you all of that. And last but not least,
that was loud.
I bought this nice USB 3.0 enclosure. You can just slide in your hard drive or SSD.
Gentle please.
Close it with nice transparent case. Connect the USB 3.0 cable. I believe it's a micro USB with some extension.
You do it wrong. That will not fit. Yummy.
And connect it to your computer.
Can you give me a summary?
Here are all the cards together. The first one, the PCI Express one. Remember, there are also smaller versions that only use X4, X8 instead of X16.
Next.
This one comes in two versions, the two sizes, be careful with that one.
Next.
And this one is pretty universal, everywhere where you have space in the back and a power cable and a SATA cable, you can use this one.
Next.
And the last one works as long as you have a USB 3.0 connector, otherwise it will
Works at
slower speed. Price, this one costs around
14 euros,
this one costs around
3 euros,
this one is the more expensive one, costs around
17 euros,
this one around
5 euros.
Please let me know if you like this video.
No, I won't.
If you have any suggestions for other enclosures that I don't show over here, please let me know.
So Vincent can buy more gadgets.
I would love to try them in the future. And please let me know if one of them will fit in your situation.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.